In front of me is Vivo X200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Albums app and tapping on Albums or Photos at the bottom. Then hold one of your photos you wish to get rid of and use this icon at the top left corner to select multiple right away. If you want to keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!